Very cool morning, dear kids. How are you all, dear? I hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, what you have said, beta? How are you, miss? I am also fine, dear. Yes, today is Wednesday and we are going to learn mathematics subject, dear. Yes, today we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. Now, what is the comparison of numbers? That you know, I will tell you one story. Yes. Yes, dear kids. Now, comparison of number means there is less and there is more, as we had learned already. Yes. So count these circles, beta. How many circles we can see now? Yes, one small activity I want to do with you. Yes, come, let's see. Yes, dear kids, today we are going to learn the topic about comparison of numbers. Now tell me, what is the meaning of comparison of numbers? Yes, dear kids, today I will tell you a story. Do you want to listen it? All right. Do you want to listen it? All right. Today I am going to tell us, this is a story of an alligator. Story of an alligator. And you know, children, what alligator was very hungry. He wants to eat something. He wants to eat something. आपको जैसी भूख लगती है ना, वैसी एलिगेटर को भी बहुत तेज भूख लगी थी. Then you know what he saw? उसके पास चॉकलेट्स पड़ी थी. Do you like chocolates? Ah, yes. On his one side there is placed one chocolate. And on the another side, how many chocolates are placed? Can you tell me? 1, 2, 3 chocolates. 3 chocolates are there. And you know, children, जब हमको भूख लगती है तो ज़्यादा खाने को मन करता है. जब आप लोगों को तेज़ भूख लगती है, आप लोगों को भी ज़्यादा खाना खाने का मन करता है ना, वैसे एलिगेटर को भी ज़्यादा चॉकलेट्स खाने का मन किया. Then you know what, children? He had opened his mouth and do you know, children? He had opened his mouth towards more chocolates and he had started eating the chocolates. उसने ज़्यादा चॉकलेट्स खा लिए, फिर भी उसका टमी नहीं भरा. Now, children, उसे अभी भी पेट नहीं भरा. Now he had seen some chocolates are here. Now count with me, how many chocolates are here? 1, 2, 3. Now count these chocolates, dear children. 1, 2. How? Now tell me, which side is more chocolates? 3 chocolates. So alligator had started eating 3 chocolates. इतने चॉकलेट्स खाने के बाद भी एलिगेटर का मन नहीं भरा. उसने फिर देखा, there is एलिगेटर ने देखा वन साइड बिस्किट्स पड़ी है, दूसरी साइड भी कुकीज़ पड़ी है। सो उसने देखा, अब फिर उसने काउंट किया। लेट्स काउंट विथ मी। 1 2 and this side 1 2. Yes, दोनों तरफ 2 biscuits are there. So alligator got confused. अब वो क्या करे? अब he got an idea and he opened his mouth and start eating both of the sides biscuits. Yes, एलिगेटर ने चॉकलेट्स भी खा लिए। Now he thought of eating numbers. Then उसने देखा उसके वन साइड में कौन सा नंबर है? नंबर 9 and another side नंबर 3. अब वो कंफ्यूज्ड हो गया, कौन सा नंबर काऊं? 9 नंबर और 3 नंबर। उसने सोचा 9 चॉकलेट्स ज़्यादा होंगे और 3 चॉकलेट्स ज़्यादा होंगे। नाउ ही गॉट कंफ्यूज्ड। देन ही रियलाइज्ड दैट 9 chocolates are more than 3 chocolates. Okay. Then he realized 9 number is the greater number. 9 number is the greater number. And you know, children, alligator always try to open his mouth towards greater number. Okay. Yes, dear kids. Now take out page number 3030, dear kids. Okay. We will do this page now. Okay. Count and insert greater or lesser in the box. Okay. Now look at this sign, beta. This is greater, sign of greater. Okay. And this is sign of less, lesser than. Okay. Sign of equal to, Okay. Yes, dear kids. First of all, we have to count the objects, beta. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is written here already. Now we have to count this side also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 already written here. Now we have to insert the sign. Okay. So which number is less than, beta? Yes, we have to insert less sign. Okay. Yes, which sign you are going to insert here? Less sign. That is this. Okay. Now we have to read also. 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. Okay. Now we have to count this object. How many objects are here? 1 2. So we will write 2 here. And how many are this side? 1 2 3. We will write 3 here. Okay. Now we have to insert the, so again we have to insert the sign. 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. Yes. Yes, now we will count this strawberries beta. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we will write 8 here and count this side also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will write 6 here. Yes, 8 is greater than 6. Okay, now we will insert greater than sign. Sign of greater than. Okay. Yes, now count these beta. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have to write 6 here. Okay. Now count this side also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9. Okay. Now 6 is less than 9. So we will insert sign of less. Now count these objects also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we will write 10 here. 10. Now here 1 2 3. Ten is greater than 3. So we will insert greater than sign. Like this way you have to complete page number 3030, dear kids. Okay, by inserting the sign, and you have to count and write the number also. Okay, numbers also. Yes, dear kids, take out page number 3131. Like the same way we have to complete this page also beta. So let's start the counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we will insert 8 here. Now this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So we will write 1 to 12 here. Now we will insert what beta? Sign. Now which sign is going to insert here? Which sign we will insert here beta? 8 is less than 12. Less than sign. Okay, lesser than sign. 8 is lesser than 1 to 12. Okay. Now yes, now count this objects beta. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, we will write here 11. Now this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. Come on, tell me which sign is going to come here? 11 is greater than 6. So we will insert greater than sign. Yes, now count this beta. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 1 6 16. Then now count this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15. Sorry, we will write 15 here. Okay, 1 5 15. Okay, now we will insert sign. Yes, dear kids, you are right. Which sign you are going to insert here? Greater than. 16 is greater than 15. Yes, 16 is greater than 15. Okay, dear. Rest of the page is your homework, dear kids. Okay, do it and send it to me, dear. Okay. So write here HW I had written. Okay, I think you had understood this topic. So first of all you have to count the objects and write the numbers here. Okay, then you have to insert the signs. Okay.